Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I got impulsive and I dyed some of my hair. Yeah, it happens a lot. So you'll probably see me with like colors in my hair often. I don't know. I get random urges to like dye my hair and I don't really want to dye my whole head, but like I want to do something. So put purple stripes in my hair. That's fun. So in today's video, I did this cool look that you see right here. I used the DesiXKaty The Girls palette from Jodlc colors, and this is how it turned out. If you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching because I'm gonna show you. Today I am taking my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to go into the shade right here. I'm just going to pop that shade right in my crease. Next, I'm going in with this shade right here. I am just deepening up those shades. I'm going to go in with this green shade right here. I guess they're all green, but you know what I mean. I'm just deepening up the outer V. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of this black color, just a little bit though, and I'm just going to pat that in the outer V. Next, I am going in with my Jodlc Colors DesiXKaty collection, and I am taking this green shade. It is called Harpoon. I'm just going to be applying that to my lid. I'm going to be going back in with that dark green and black and what is it? Blending out the corners. I'm just going to put on wing liner now. I'm using the Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner. Okay guys, I put on my face and now I'm just going to be going into blush and highlight. Today I am taking the Kylie blush in the shade Hot and Bothered. Next I'm going into this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. It's the That Glow Kit, and I'm going to go into the shade Sunburst and highlight my face with that. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I put on mascara, gelled my eyebrows down, and put on lipstick. This is the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick in Embellish. I love a good brown. If you guys liked today's video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you later.